Take on any challenge with the TXi series industrial-grade TIG welders. Made tough for serious applications, with 100% duty cycle, the TX series are designed for constant use on any application where perfection is the name of the game. With a smart yet simple digital interface, there is no part of your weld that can't be customised. Programming your weld is made simple, with each part of the welding process being clearly named and easy to find. Using the automatic programming function, let the TXi help you generate the perfect weld. Simply enter material type, thickness and position. The weld settings will be optimised for your application. Once the weld has been refined, you are able to store and name the program to be quickly recalled for future use, increasing production. With hyperpulse up to 15 kHz and dual wave technology, the most challenging TIG applications can be overcome. Hyperpulse focuses the arc, enabling incredible penetration and faster welding speeds. Dual wave assists with welding tough aluminium applications. Automatic AC balance and wave save time when welding aluminium, so you can achieve the perfect weld with the turn of a dial. Also available is a separate cold wire feed unit to take production to the next level. Increase productivity. Contact us to discover the TXi machines for yourself. Weld smarter with Orbimax.